Welcome. In this animation, we'll explore the fascinating path known as the epicycloid. Imagine a smaller circle rolling around the outside of a larger fixed circle without slipping. Now, fix a point on the rim of the rolling circle. As the circle rolls, this point traces out a beautiful looping curve, the epicycloid. Notice how the point rises, loops, and returns to the starting position again and again, forming perfect symmetric arches. Cycloids appear in gear design, mechanical linkages, and even in the art of spirographs. Curves born from rolling motion, simple yet profound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our previous video on cycloids and subscribe for more math animations.